Hi everybody, as usual, I hope you're having a great day. Today I am doing an unboxing review video of Fytoo, I hope I said that name right, glasses. They're an eyeglass company that's online. So here is the box that my glasses came in, and they did send some bonuses in the box. There is a 12% off link or code for you to use. I'll have that in the description box along with their website and how to order. But let's go over some of the bonuses. Now, again, this is an online eyeglass site. And so they sent a little card explaining their company. And then the bonuses here are they sent a coupon, 10% off your next $75 order, which I think is very nice. And then they also sent this little ruler. It's a PD ruler. So you hold it up on your nose and it measures from the middle of your right pupil, the distance from the middle of your right pupil to the middle of the left pupil. So if you order prescription glasses, you need to make sure that you have your PD number on there. Now, the other thing that I really liked is they sent in this bag a glass cleaner that says Fytoo, Better Glasses, Clearer World. There's what it looks like. I thought that was a very nice touch. And here's the last thing that was out of the box, and we'll get to the glasses. This little keychain, and this is actually a little screwdriver in case the screw comes loose. So you know it's going to work on the glasses that you ordered from their company. And there's actually two of them, two different sizes. There's one on this end also, and all you do is just screw this on. Now I do want to, I'm going to show you the other side. So what I did like about this is their website is very easy to use. They also have the virtual try-on. There are a ton of frames to choose from, and you can actually find a pair of reader glasses or prescription glasses and turn them into sunglasses. There's a lot of options. So I will definitely have their store link linked down below. There's the other little screwdriver. It was and you just put this back in here and screw this back on. But it was very easy to maneuver around the site. I do want to thank Vivian from the company for reaching out to me to ask me to do if I wanted to do this review. Thank you. So there are the little bonuses. I don't know about you all, but I don't get those at my local, where I get my glasses at, my eyeglasses at. So I thought that was really nice. Now, what the glasses come in, here's the glasses. These are called the Ryan Black Golden. Now, what I liked is that I actually received these with a plastic piece right here that was over the lens, so they did not get scratched. And then these were in a plastic bag. And then on top of the plastic bag, they also sent them in this nice soft, it's a very soft case. And inside the case, I found another, if I can pull it out, eyeglass cleaner cloth. So I really think that is a nice touch. The cloth says their company name, Fytoo, Better Glasses, Clearer World. And again, I will have them linked down in the description box, their website. I'm just going to put those back in there. It's got this nice drawstring on it, so it's easy to close and easy to open. And again, it is a very soft material, so it protects your glasses. So let's get into the glasses. Again, these are the Ryan Black Golden. I like the fact that I can virtually try these on. So you can try on glasses before you buy them. These were actually in the regular glass section. So you can pick something like this and make it into sunglasses, sorry. So these are actually progressive. I think it's progressive prescription polarized and mirrored sunglasses. You can see my ring light. So I really do like these. They fit nicely. Like, they're a really nice fit. They fit nice with my face. So I'm very impressed from their store to my door on the fit of these. And as far as the prescription part, I'm having no problem seeing. I can read everything fine. I can see fine. So the prescription is like spot on. Just spot on from what I'm wearing for eyeglasses. Now the next pair of glasses I'm going to show you are called Valerie in Black. I did get these so when I'm wearing my eyeglasses, I could wear these, but I do have trial contacts, so I did get these with just the polarized and the mirror. And this is what these look like. For me, both pairs of these are throwbacks to the 80s and 90s. I have pairs, sunglasses like these back then. I really enjoyed them, so it was nice finding them on the site, but I just think they have a nice look. Again, I can see the ring light and the glasses, so the mirroring is nice. Having the polarized is nice. It protects your eyes more from the sun, or you know, where I live, the snow is really bright. It's anywhere it snows, it's really bright, but so that can all be damaging to your eyes. Lots of choices. I'll have the website linked down in the description box so you can check it out yourself. Use the 12% off your entire order. And I'm just going to show you again the glasses, and you can see the ring light in both. This again is the Ryan Black Golden. These again are prescription progressive with mirrored polarized mirror. And then these are the Valerie in Black, which are polarized mirror sunglasses. So these are the two that I chose. And then of course you get the two cases with them. So I think these are great. They're definitely great for year round. And the items in the box I showed you that were perks, I don't get those from my eye club. I go to see my eye doctor, and they have an eyeglass center right there where I can buy my eyeglasses. They don't give me stuff like that, like the eyeglass cleaning cloth or that little screwdriver. So that makes it very convenient, and it's a nice, really added extra bonus. Now, as far as price on these, please check out the site, because I do think, at least for my area, I'm going to word it that way, these are a really good price compared to what I would pay either outside my doctor's office or if I went to another eyeglass store. In comparison, these are a lot cheaper, and I think they're the same quality also. And I will say these are, I had a better selection to choose from than I would at my eye doctor's. That I do know. So one last time showing you. So again, thank you, Vivian from Fytoo Company. I appreciate this review. These will serve me all year round. And I'm actually thinking about using my gift certificate, the $10 off 75, on my next eye appointment if I do need to upgrade my glasses. But like I said, I'm kind of transitioning into contacts. So let me know in the comments what you all think. Please go down and check out the website, look at the prices, compare it to your area. And if you know somebody who's looking for glasses, sunglasses, readers, that kind of thing, please share this video so they can save some money and get some glasses at a good deal. I hope you all have a terrific day and enjoy this video. And as always, I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Have a good day, y'all.